and glamorous fame of Bigg Boss 5. Pooja Misra's upcoming biography, What's in a Name? Everything. You Were Not Born to Be a Mediocre, as well as a customized limited edition 2018 calendar, was launched by the actress herself along with a glam photo shoot. The lady speaks her mind, and at this event, she had loads to talk about as she talked about her biography as well as a customized calendar and herself. Pooja Misra lives her space and speaks her mind. So we've got to listen to what all she says.
As you can see in this picture, it is the journey of a girl who is on fire, okay? And this is the last page of the book, this one. So basically, by the end of the book, you realize that it wasn't really her that was on fire. It was a mask she was wearing which was on fire. And although she had to literally undress herself during the course of the book, during the course of the story, but by the end of the story, she might be undressed, but the mask has finally come off. So that's what this book is, the whole journey of the book, from the front page to the last page. Actually, to begin with, it's been my roller coaster journey into show business, which has been nothing short of a potboiler, and that's how I want to make it into a movie, because like I've said in my interviews earlier, I wish I had seen a movie in regards to the same. Then probably my journey would have been a little easier and a little, smoother. So it is essentially edutainment to educate people who want to get into show business, and trust me, there are so many. I know businessmen, doctors, lawyers who want to pursue a profession on the side of having had dabbled with show business in one way or another. So I think it's more of edutainment, but done in a very commercial way, and the execution is very enjoyable and entertainment based. So one laughs as well as one cries, but at the end of the day, you go back home having learnt something. Well, actually, I've been meaning to write it for the longest time, but I got around to doing it last year, properly, enumerating it and compiling it. It's always been there on different pieces of paper on my mails, but I had to just put it all together, and unfortunately, I had to do it all on my own, so it's been not easy. In fact, when I was writing my biography recently in Pune, I was assaulted, as you can see. I've got 4 stitches on my cheek, and for somebody who is constantly facing the camera, although I've been totally off media lately because I've been working on my biography, to have a scar that lasts for life right at your cheekbone is really very sad. And I would imagine the book is a threat to quite a couple of people who don't, believe in letting others come up in life, because that's what is the tagline of my production house, cracking the crab mentality.